the big one where Goggles X and range test day. I'm going to be up on that hill up there that you can see on the top left. Positioning myself up there, and you can see how far I can take my Sector 5 with the Goggles X patch and upgrade. It's going to be very interesting. Welcome folks, as you just saw, I've come to my favourite windy spot here. It's a good spot where I can test out the true range of the Goggles X with the patch upgrade that I've done in conjunction with the stubby upgrade, which is a bit breezy though. Still not hoping it wouldn't be windy, but it is. So I'm going to fly down there by the road, and in case something goes wrong and I have to ditch, and I'll keep things nice and close to the roadway so I don't have to walk through paddocks too much, which is always handy. Alright, let's get set up. As I'm going to be travelling a long way today, put a bit of weight on the quad, big trusty Mini Star 1500, should do the job for power. We've done my pre-flight checks, make sure everything is how it should be. Let's warm up that GPS with my GPS warmer and hook her up. Like I said, I've just put on my patch antennas for the Goggles X. A couple of nice little cherry lollipops here. I flew this yesterday with this setup, massive improvements for range, but there's a lot of electrical interference where I was, so today I'm going to get a true range test and let you guys know exactly how far this setup will go. And this is the cracked version. We'll set it on 1200 milliwatts power, so maximum power, and channel 3, unless channel 3 doesn't give me green bars. Make sure I am facing straight down the hill, which I am. And we're off. So I said it's quite windy here, so I'll just have a quick fly around like I normally do, just to make sure everything's set as it should on the quad. Not going to get any fail safes or nothing's going to fall off. I can tell you one thing for sure, we're going to be returning to home super duper fast today because it's hell windy up here. Alright, let's get low to the ground. Okay, let's begin our travels. Wish me luck. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I have used the VRX for Walksnail, which is the add-on to my Sky Zone goggles, so I could analog to digital, and that got me a long way. So this is doing nothing of the sort for some reason, but let's see how far it's going to take me today. I'm talking 3 kilometers with that setup, so I'm a bit disappointed the Goggles X don't take me as far, but we'll see what happens. I'm only 400 meters so far, 450 meters, 480 meters. Stay nice and close to the tree line. Look, if I can get 3 kilometers, I'll be pretty happy, but I don't think I'm going to. I've got to make sure I don't dip too low there, because I'll be out of line of sight as well. 3 bars on the channel 3. Flashing up to 4, 25 Mbps, 780 meters. Sorry, 767. Okay, 780 meters. Question is, how far do I push it? As soon as I get those warning red borders, I'm going to be spinning it around straight away. Because what this quad will do, this setup will do is when you lose signal, it's just going to black out. So I'm down to 2 now. I get a bit more altitude, see if that helps. Just by that house and driveway, and pushing it to 1 kilometre. So there's 1 kilometre. Got 3 bars, flicking down to 2 every now and then. I'm keeping my head dead still and aiming straight at the quad. Down to 2 bars. I think I'm going to get a warning any minute now. 1130 metres. Just by that tree island there. 3 bars. Something's not recording anymore. Not too sure why. It might be full. 3 bars. I'm losing recording capability on the quad. Don't know why. We'll sort that out later. Just in the clearing now, 1330. I think I'm going to get a warning any second, and I'm going to flick it around. 1.3 kilometres. I'm starting to get a bit of break up. Start of the big field. There's a house on the left. 1,500 metres, 1.5 kilometres, guys. I'm still on 3 signals, so if I can get to 2Ks, I'll be pretty chuffed. I'm just cruising, I'm not going fast. I get a bit more altitude. No, we're on 2. I think I'm going to lose signal in a minute. Really windy up there, guys, as well. 1,600 metres. When I turn around, my antenna's going to be facing the other way, so that's going to affect signal as well. 1700, 18, oh, one bar, 2 bars. I'm about to turn around, guys, just by that field. It's really windy. 1800. Shall I push it to 2 kilometres? Oh shit! Oh, there's some animals down there. No, I'm gonna call it, guys. I'm gonna call it at 1800. This is good for 2Ks, folks. And I'm getting some warnings now, so I'm going to scoot back. This is going to be the sketchy bit because the antenna's facing the other direction. Let's get some altitude. Looking forward to testing out the new Walksnail GT kit with the dual antennas and 2 milliwatts of power. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll call 2 kilometres. Getting some warnings now, even coming back at 1200 metres. I'm getting warnings of signal simply because I'm facing the wrong direction. And I'm not too sure. I think the card, I think my Walksnail must be full because it stopped recording, but luckily my goggles are taken over. Oh, that's a sigh of relief. Got a couple of volts left, so I might have a little bit of an explore around here. I'm 600 metres from home, so I'm not stressing anymore. What's going on down here? Ah, very good. Just give you guys an aerial shot of where I am. It's a nice little spot to fly. Except when it's really windy. Battery low, time to go home. There you go guys, I'm going to call 2 kilometres, give or take a couple of metres. A massive improvement with these goggles as far as range goes with those mods I did, so yeah, recommended folks. Anyway, this is about to die. Sector 5 never lets me down. Really nice little quad, this one, great build. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. 2Ks, I think I could have pushed it a little bit more if I had a slightly extended antenna. Because what happens is when you spin it around and start heading home, that antenna gets shielded by the battery in the quad, etc. So on a longer one, I'd probably be your game to push it a bit further. The return home is always sketchy. Thanks MEPS for supplying the motors for this run. Super reliable. Looking for a good motor, check them out, links are down below. Thumbs up guys, drop us a comment. How far have you guys got with your Walksnail Goggles X? Be great to hear from you. See you again soon. I'm out of here. Bye for now.